Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: beautification of Lajamkra locality continues. Search and rescue team involves young volunteers to save lives. Admission drive organized by Kaziranga University. And classes on Skill Meghalaya begins on July, Bosco Panar. And now the news in detail. Dr. Amrin Lindo, MLA from East Shillong, in her interaction with media persons today, has informed that the beautification works in Lajamkra area of her constituency are going full swing. At the same time, the residents of the locality are facing with a lot of social congestion as many street vendors are rushing to this place to earn their living. She also said that the local authorities are planning to relocate some vendors to other areas, which may cause inconvenience to some, but they have to bear it for the greater good of society. She suggested that vendors should explore to move to some other localities of the city and not to rush only to Lajamkra area.
Petlumartan yang ginong song jong kasnong jong. Kajing internet kajing pabri ulili ti kalong sisya ka basusi banyo iba wat lang nila le e katuka police point internet katu mentang lai internet katu saya ke fire brigade kasih thut teng kamong tang bahaba bila kentur palat banyaya yang rumla syu tingi hapon ben kata wat ni hapan sim ya karai ting wan pun susi pun mong iki katupat ni rei kasnong mga ka MLA berkat ka district authority ni siya pet ya ka ay ka hatam ban pendet ya ni kata.
The Office of Meghalaya Fire and Emergency Services Eastern Range, under the guidance of Shri K. Kharshiying of the Search and Rescue Team, organized a 2-day special training on July 5th and 6th to the student volunteers of Northland College, West Khazi Hills, on the various techniques to save human lives in time of emergency arising out of natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, landslides, house burning, etc. They are also taught how to make use of common articles like ropes, tin, bamboo, wood to make ladders and stretchers to save lives as quickly as possible and to take the injured to safe place without any loss of time. The active response from the volunteers is very encouraging as they want to know more about various techniques to rescue and save lives.
When you don't know these people, maybe you can wear a mask. A mask is not necessary to make mask. When the case is like a case again, then only you take precautions.
Special classes on Skill Meghalaya in the fields of electrical domestic solution and plumber general have started on Bosco Panar Multi-Purpose Vocational Training Center, Jowai, on July 7th with an aim to equip local youths with necessary skill to stand on their own feet to earn a living. On the first day, the Bosco Panar Center organized an impressive inaugural function where the local member of the District Council from North Jowai, Shri Brightstar Chirmang, was a chief guest. Present at the inaugural function were Reverend Father Francisco Dhar, Director Bosco Panar, Shri Lambor Suchen, Skill Development Officer, students and teachers of the training center. In his speech, Shri Brightstar Chirmang praised the Bosco Panar Center for its good gesture to conduct the training as well as the State Skill Development Society for their foresight to make the youths of Jantia Hill skillful workers who will stand on their own feet for a living.
Unemployment. Mango pro, mango kamu waro hika kopi geri, mango big challenge untuk mango Wah tiga tang nin ne dari itu Islam di Malaysia dia dari mana sarkar ni dengan pendak di kira dari hok kalat Turki wajah kalat Turki dari kita ni one turning dan kami kai one mara ya kejinjak lebih harga cikin lebih.
The Kaziranga University, one of the top universities in Northeast India today, the 8th of July 2022, organized an interactive session on careers in a competitive world at Don Bosco Youth Centre, Lajum Khra. There were around 20 students who came to this career counselling. Speaking to Don Bosco Media Network, the Dean of the University, Professor Bobby Roy, said that this university offers a 100 scholarship merit-based scholarship scheme which includes meritorious students, sports quota, persons with disabilities and Ward of Defence personnel.
Pan-India students, but mostly the students are from Northeast. Yes, over the years, every year we get a batch of students from Meghalaya, which we have students from engineering, we have students in management, we have students in basic sciences from places like Tura, Jowai and of course Shillong. Right now, if you say our intake, which has been a little low for the last 2 years for the COVID, yes, but still we had about 60 enrollments last year. And overall, we can say that about 150 plus students are already studying currently in Kaziranga University. Kaziranga University has always given a lot of importance to merit. And over the years, we are providing up to 100% scholarship for meritorious students. There are a lot of students, because of financial handicap, very bright, very brilliant students who cannot pursue their education because of lack of financial abilities. Now, we would like to promote these students, and for which we have brought in a scholarship for the meritorious students, which goes up to 100%, which means 100% waiver on the tuition fees.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.